If you've ever had one browser tab blasting audio while you're trying to focus, this quick Chrome tip is going to save you a lot of frustration. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to mute a tab in Google Chrome and then how to turn the sound back on when you need it again. This is a super simple feature, but it's incredibly useful if a website keeps playing music, video, or notifications that you do not want to hear. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and go to the tab that is currently playing audio. You'll usually notice the tab making noise because you can actually hear sound coming from it, or sometimes you'll see a little speaker icon on the tab itself. Once you've found the noisy tab, move your mouse over to the tab at the top of the browser window. Now, right-click on that tab. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Mute Site. The moment you do that, Chrome will silence audio coming from that website. What's really helpful here is that this doesn't just mute one tab for the moment, it mutes the entire website, so any current or future tabs from that same site will stay quiet until you unmute it. That makes this feature especially useful for sites that autoplay videos, music, live streams, or annoying ads with sound. Instead of hunting down each individual tab, you can silence the source directly with just one click. Now, if you want to hear audio from that website again later, the process is just as easy. Go back to the tab from that same site, right-click it again, and this time select Unmute Site. As soon as you choose that option, the website can play sound normally again. So to recap, right-click the tab, choose Mute Site to silence it, and choose Unmute Site when you're ready to restore the sound. That's the fastest way to control noisy websites in Google Chrome without closing anything or changing complicated settings. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Chrome tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.